In 2019, Samsung will once again present a major evolution of smartphones, the Galaxy Fold. The phone has two displays. The front one has a small 4.6-inch display in the center, and when open, it has a 7.3-inch screen. Galaxy Fold is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, 12 GB of RAM, and has 512 GB of non-expandable storage space. The device contains two batteries, one on each side of the phone, which together provide 4,380 mAh of power. On the camera side, the phone comes with 6 cameras and uses the same sensor as the Galaxy S10 Plus. Because the Galaxy Fold was Samsung's first foldable phone, there were certainly some downsides, such as the contrast between the premium exterior and the plastic screen interior, which also created a visible crease from certain angles. But if you wanted such a foldable device, you had to pay $1,980 out of pocket. Next year, Samsung launched the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, and it comes with major design changes. The first change we notice is the size of the outside panel from 4.6 inches to 6.2 inches, and this time it had a selfie and a small notch. The next change to the new model was the removal of the inside notch for the selfie camera, which made it much more elegant and even. The screen quality has also been improved, and the gap between the two halves when closed has been reduced. The screen was larger, 7.6 inches, with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which can be changed depending on what activities the user does on the phone. The phone also comes with a better processor and more RAM, and the cameras are similar to those of the previous model. For this model, Samsung set a price of $1,999. The third model in this series is Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G and comes with a new design, much more elegant, and some new features. For example, it has an IPX8 water resistance rating, offers a 120 Hz refresh rate on both screens, and receives S Pen support. The main screen size has remained the same, but it comes with a more powerful processor, Snapdragon 888 5G. Samsung has transferred the main 3 cameras from the previous model, but introduced for the first time a selfie camera under the display. 4 megapixels on the foldable inner display, and the other on the outer display is 10 megapixels. Samsung has lowered the price for this model to $1,799. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video.